How's it going, guys, and welcome back to another episode of
Viking in the Kitchen!
In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make my favourite protein treats because mainly they look like and taste like Reese's cups. Today you're going to need some vanilla protein powder, some natural peanut butter, some dark chocolate, make sure it's over 70% in cocoa, and each bar I'm using today is 200 grams. You're also going to need a bowl to melt your chocolate and a mixing bowl, and today I'm using a silicone ice cube tray. Now it's worth mentioning I have sprayed this with non-stick cooking spray so it's easier to get them out in the end. In the past I have used those cupcake cases, the small ones, to make them look a lot more like the Reese's cups, but it's up to you. Today I'm going to be using the ice cube tray. Okay, step number one, you're going to get 1 bar of chocolate and we're just going to break up into little chunks, put it in the bowl. Okay, so now you're going to get a saucepan, fill it with water, put it on the hob. We're going to place this on top of the saucepan. So we're just going to give that a little stir every now and then, and we're going to wait for that to melt fully before putting it into our cases, or in this case, an ice cube tray. Careful, that is hot. So now we're just going to get a teaspoon and just start dripping it into the ice cube tray. This is going to create a little base layer. Doesn't need to be a thick layer, just a thin layer in each one. It's okay to make a little bit of mess. That's what I tell myself. It's all part of the fun. So now we're just going to give this ice cube tray a little shake, just so that the chocolate is evenly dispersed, distributed. Now we're going to pop this in the freezer whilst we make the filling. Clean as you go. Okay, now it's time to make the filling. Now, remember to use natural peanut butter. Mine is quite runny, so I'm going to use approximately 5 tablespoons of peanut butter. You know I like my peanut butter. Now we're going to add the protein powder. So I'm going to use approximately 2 scoops of vanilla protein powder. Your scoop might be a different size, so I'm going to use around 50 grams. Give that a mix. Remember, your peanut butter might be a different texture, it might be more dry, so in that case you might need to add a splash of water. Just mix that together. For those extra gains. So to get a nice consistency, play around with the ratios, add more powder, add more water, mix it up so you get a really nice thick mixture. So now that the mixture is ready, it's time to check on the chocolate to make sure it's nice and firm and set. There we go, nice little mixture, all flat, nice and hard, ready for us to put the mixture in. Pat them down. What you want to do is get a nice chunk of mixture, put it on top of the chocolate and press into the mold so it goes into each corner, like so. Okay, so now we've added the mixture into our mold and pushed it right down into the corners. We're now going to melt the other chocolate bar in the bowl. Again, really careful because it's going to be really hot. Now we're just going to top up these little bad boys with some more dark chocolate, about the same amount as what we did use before for the bottom layer. So now, after you've made a mess and you put the chocolate in, just give it a little shake, just so that the chocolate is evenly distributed on top of the mixture. Last but not least, we're just going to pop these in the freezer for about 10 minutes maybe. Just keep checking on them, make sure they're nice and hard and firm and ready. Alright, let's see how these bad boys came out. And there we go guys, that is how to make my Reese's style protein treats. Remember to only have like 1 or 2 of these a day. Don't scoff the whole lot in one go. I know they're delicious, but yeah, these are only a treat, okay? So just 1 or 2 a day. Thanks for watching this video guys. If you found this at all helpful, don't forget to pulverize that like button and hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you get notified when I upload a brand new video. Thanks again, I'll see you in the next episode.